If you're looking for a beginner-friendly telescope, then this is the one for you. We were gifted this one to make a review video, and so far it's been a breeze. I personally have never owned a telescope before, but my wife and I love stargazing, and this is going to bring it to the next level for us. It comes with a really nice carrying case and an instruction manual that makes putting it together a breeze, and it also explains all the different attributes of the telescope so that you're not completely lost while you're putting it together, and then when it's time to use it, you know what everything does. First of all, it comes with a really nice tripod that has telescoping legs. It's really easy to set up. It has a little tool tray here for all your different extra parts and pieces. Whenever you mount it, it has these fine-tune adjusters that let you focus in on what you're looking at really gently without shaking it around. There's no nuts and bolts to loosen and tighten that take up time and make it cumbersome to move around. So that's been super easy. Also came with a finder scope that lets you look at a broader piece of the sky and zero in on what you're trying to see before you actually try to start dialing it in with the telescope. So the telescope itself, the lenses have a coating on them that helps with glare and reflections and different things like that. But it also comes with two different eyepieces that are ×28 and ×70. But then it also comes with another Barlow lens that lets you get 3 times each of those all the way up to 210 magnification. Which is crazy. Can't wait, can't wait. So anyway, all those things are explained in the book. Really easy to use. The little focusing knob works super smooth, as you can see here. It's a very stable setup. It only weighs 5.5 pounds, even with the bag, but it's still, when it's all together, it's very stable. One of my favorite features that it has is this cell phone attachment that lets you put your phone over the viewing lens, lock it in place, and then you could take pictures or time lapse over what you're looking at through the telescope. And on top of that, once you get it dialed in and everything's perfect, it comes with a remote control that you could take pictures with from a distance. That way you don't touch it and get vibrations in your pictures like you would have to do otherwise. All that aside, we always love stargazing. We camp a lot, and we cannot wait to get this thing outside and give it a try. I know my wife is gonna love it. And as a first step to stargazing with telescopes, this thing's gonna be awesome. I could see us getting way too involved in this before it's all over with. I hope this video helps you. If you're interested, thanks for watching.